Greetings, friend. Watch refrigeration news for Thursday, July 27, 2023 on our channel. Clivet introducing VRF CVT8 and MSAN8 series. China's MEPS lead to major AC market transformation. Cold Chain Report 2023. Workshop on Decarbonising Industrial Refrigeration at ICR. ACCA and RMGA form alliance. Chemours names Joseph Martinko as president, Thermal, and Specialized Solutions. NewCold celebrates automated facility milestone with partners in Georgia. Panasonic decides to invest in DayBreak. Dear friend, please like this video if it was useful for you. First news today. Clivet introducing VRF CVT8 and MSAN8 series. Clivet enhances its VRF outdoor units lineup, introducing VRF CVT8 and MSAN8 series. VRF CVT8, ranging from 25 kilowatts to 90 kilowatts and up to 270 kilowatts in combination of 3 modules, replaces current VRF MV6 series. Depending on the capacity, the units have 3 different chassis with 1 or 2 vertical fans. VRF MSAN8, ranging from 25 kilowatts to 61.5 kilowatts and up to 246 kilowatts in combination of 4 modules, replaces current VRF MV6I series. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. China's MEPS lead to major AC market transformation. CLASP's analysis of China's evolving room air conditioner standards shows strong evidence for policy's role in swift market transformation. As climate change continues to heat the Earth to unprecedented temperatures, billions of people will rely on air conditioners to accomplish everyday tasks. However, air conditioners and electric fans already account for about 20% of global building electricity use, much of which is generated by fossil fuels. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Cold Chain Report 2023. Cold chain professionals say energy management technologies will have more influence over temperature-controlled logistics in the coming decade than automation, blockchain, or changes to demand for cold chain products. The Cold Chain Federation's new Cold Chain Report 2023, published today, includes the results of the Federation's State of the Cold Chain survey of more than 100 individuals from across the UK cold chain. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Workshop on Decarbonising Industrial Refrigeration at ICR. The decarbonization of industrial refrigeration is a pressing global concern that demands collaborative efforts from stakeholders across various sectors. To address this issue, a workshop will take place on 23rd of August as part of the 26th International Congress of Refrigeration in Paris. This workshop aims to gather stakeholders from the cold chain and commercial refrigeration sectors, along with international organizations, to delve into the challenges hindering decarbonization efforts and explore potential solutions. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. ACCA and RMGA form alliance. The Air Conditioning Contractors of America, ACCA, and the Rocky Mountain Gas Association, RMGA, are pleased to share that RMGA has become the 22nd Allied Contracting Organization, ACO, to affiliate with ACCA. RMGA promotes the advancement of heating, venting, air conditioning, refrigeration, hearth, and plumbing contractors across Utah and southwest Wyoming. With this addition, ACCA's allied contracting organizations now serve 29 states and the District of Columbia. Read more the news on our website today. Sixth news today. Chemours names Joseph Martinko as president, Thermal and AMP, Specialized Solutions. The Chemours Company, a global chemistry company with leading market positions in titanium technologies, thermal and AMP, Specialized Solutions, and advanced performance materials, today announced the appointment of Joseph Martinko as president, Thermal and AMP, Specialized Solutions, TSS, effective immediately. Martinko was appointed interim leader on June 1 and stood out as the top candidate following an internal and external search. Read more the news on our website today. Seventh news today. NewCold celebrates automated facility milestone with partners in Georgia. The construction of NewCold's state-of-the-art million automated warehouse facility in Georgia marked a milestone with a top-off ceremony on Wednesday, 19th of July. Founded in the Netherlands and with a North American base in Chicago, NewCold is a leader in highly automated temperature-controlled logistics, with 15 sites on 3 continents. Read more the news on our website today. 8th News Today. Panasonic decides to invest in DayBreak. Panasonic Corporation announced that it has decided to invest in DayBreak Company, Limited, a solution provider focusing on special freezing technology, through a corporate venture capital fund, commonly known as the Panasonic Karashi Visionary Fund, jointly managed by Panasonic and SBI Investment Company, Limited. With a mission to create a better future from producers to consumers, DayBreak aims to solve labor shortages, food loss, freshness preservation, and other food-related challenges for ensuring a better future through its special freezing solutions. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Follow Refrigeration News on social networks. Please find the links below.